Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your photo into a music player album cover in the CapCut Mobile. So here, I've already import a photo, and what you need to do is just go to the effect, click on the effect, click on the video effect. Now just swipe through the category and then select the flag option, this one, and here there are two options. The first one is this one, player one, and the second one is the CD playback. So you can just choose which one. So I'm going to just use the player one. For example, here you can see now it will become like this, like an album cover in a music player. Here you can adjust the blur, but if you use the CD playback, it will go like this. Here you can also adjust. Here there are so many things to adjust: filter, glow, blur, and noise. So just adjust it as you like. And to make it real, you can just add audio, and here add your favorite song. For example, I'm going to just use one from CapCut. Okay, for example, this one. Let's add this Blue Moon song. Click on a check icon. Then you can also add stickers. Here I'm going to just add stickers. Click on this category, scroll down, and I'm going to add this, I don't know what it's called, but this stickers right here. Then put it in here. For example, click on the check icon, and there you go, it's done. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.